see one of the biggest waterfalls here in our India, between the borders of Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. We had a visit to here while we have returning from Orissa outreaches. This is so nice to have spent time here. But this is very cold here right now. Winter started. But we thank God for these beauties. We have an excellent ministry in Orissa. Thank you for your prayers. Please uphold us. Continue in your prayers. We give you thanks. We thank God and we give you thanks for all your prayers. Love you so much. God bless. Say hello, hi.
Hi.